Is Safari not loading websites on your iPhone? This could be due to connectivity problems, outdated settings, or browser glitches. No need to stress. There are simple fixes to resolve it. Here's how to get Safari to load websites again on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top of the screen. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you can't load website, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear again. Cached website data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Solution 3. Restart Safari. Close the Safari app by swiping up from the swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Reopen Safari and try accessing the page again. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Now that you've gone through these steps, you should be able to fix the Safari cannot open page error on your iPhone. If the problem continues, feel free to reach out to Apple support for more help.